Understanding just-in-case (JIC) inventory strategy. What is just-in-case (JIC)? Just-in-case (JIC) is an inventory management strategy where companies opt to maintain large inventories of products. The core idea behind JIC is to minimize the risk of stockouts, ensuring that products are readily available to meet customer demand. Businesses that typically implement this strategy often face challenges in accurately predicting consumer demand or encounter unpredictable surges in orders. By holding excess inventory, companies aim to reduce the potential loss of sales that can occur when products are out of stock. Key principles of JIC. Maintaining large inventories. JIC involves keeping a substantial stock of goods on hand, even when demand is not guaranteed. This is particularly crucial for businesses dealing with highly volatile markets. Demand uncertainty. JIC is particularly beneficial for companies that struggle with demand forecasting or experience sudden spikes in customer orders that are difficult to predict. Cost trade-offs. While JIC can effectively reduce lost sales, it comes with increased inventory holding costs. These include expenses related to storage, insurance, and potentially wasted inventory if items do not sell. How just-in-case JIC works. JIC stands in contrast to the more contemporary, just-in-time (JIT) inventory strategy, in which companies aim to synchronize production with demand closely. The JIT approach focuses on minimizing inventory costs by procuring materials only as they are needed for production. Characteristics of the JIC strategy. 1. Reordering mechanism. Companies using the JIC strategy typically reorder stock before it dips below a certain threshold, ensuring that they continue to meet consumer demand without interruptions. The time it takes from placing an order to receiving stock is known as lead time. 2. Safety stock. JIC systems often incorporate a safety stock, which serves as a buffer against demand fluctuations, transportation delays, or supply chain interruptions. 3. Geographical considerations. JIC is employed more frequently in less industrialized nations where issues such as poor transport infrastructure, susceptibility to natural disasters, and unreliable suppliers can disrupt supply chains. In these scenarios, maintaining excess stock can mitigate production risks. Why choose the more costly JIC strategy? Despite the higher costs associated with JIC, some companies consider it a worthwhile investment for several reasons. Customer retention. The risk of losing major clients due to stockouts can significantly impact revenue. Companies weigh the cost of maintaining inventory against the potential losses from failing to fulfill customer orders. Supply chain resilience. Maintaining extra inventory helps to counteract vulnerabilities within the supply chain, such as natural disasters or supplier production issues, which can otherwise lead to costly disruptions. Market specifics. Certain industries, like healthcare and defense, require a rigid inventory strategy where waiting for production to ramp up can have dire consequences. For instance, hospitals can't afford to run out of essential supplies, hence, they often rely on JIC systems. Real-world examples of just-in-case JIC. 1. Military organizations. Military supply chains must ensure that essential equipment and supplies are always available, especially in emergencies. A stockout could lead to severe operational failures. 2. Healthcare providers. Hospitals keep large inventories of critical medical supplies and medications. The JIC strategy helps them manage uncertain demand, ensuring that they can respond promptly to emergencies even when regular supply chains face disruptions. 3. Food industry. Restaurants and grocery stores may use a JIC strategy to ensure that popular items are always available, particularly before known high-demand periods like holidays or local events. Conclusion. The just-in-case JIC inventory strategy plays a crucial role in managing uncertainty in various industries. While it entails higher costs due to increased storage and potential waste, the strategy effectively reduces the risks associated with stockouts and maintains customer satisfaction. In landscapes where demand can fluctuate unpredictably, businesses must carefully consider their inventory management strategies to balance cost with the necessity of meeting consumer needs. Understanding when and how to implement JIC can be the key to business resiliency and growth.